everybody. I'm in my truck now. Well, I shut down. I'm on the road though, but yeah, I'm going to try. It's now or never. I'm gonna try to do this. I'm really not much of a handy guy, but I've been watching YouTube videos and I'll see if I can do what I'm about to do next, which is put on this air hose. I've had this for over like 2 or 3 years now, but I just kept it in the truck, never installed it. We'll see if I don't screw everything up. You might witness a big tragedy here or a catastrophe here, but hey, either way you guys will be entertained, hopefully, right? So here it goes. Well, it says here's a blowgun kit that comes with all the equipment. You can see the bag has been beat up, so, or the box has been beat up. Put it on here. Lay it out on the line. Should get a tripod or something, or a selfie stick. It's hard. I'm gonna take it out of all the contents out of the box. So, and voila, out of that box. So here's the fittings. I guess here's the nozzle, the hose. I guess this is the one you'll attach to the bottom of the truck, and I guess adapters. I have no idea. We'll figure that out, right? But what we're going to do now is come down here. Let me move this out the way. I'm still in the process of cleaning the truck. Sorry. So here's my light right there. Oh, it's closed. Let's see. Hopefully y'all can see better there. And we're looking for this thing right here, right? Yeah. And we will replace this with the fittings we got. So we're gonna try to do what we can now. I might need to go in and buy tools because I forgot that my tool bag is in my. I left it at home. I forgot to bring it with me. But yeah, so I know you gotta dump the air in your air tanks first, but before I do that, I'm just gonna prep this up. So I got this Teflon tape here to make sure, man, my fingers so sharp, to this right here, put on this end, so when I screw this on, it becomes, you know, it helps become more form-fitting and tighter so air doesn't leak. Again, I'm not very mechanically inclined, but I've done a little bit of this stuff before. I don't need too much. I don't want it too thick that I can't screw anything on, so just so it can wrap around like 2 or 3 times. Here it is here. This piece right here. Probably could use more, but that's fine. Wrap it around this end here. I'm very, I guess, OCD when it comes to making this as tight as possible. So I just wrap it around here. A few times. Tight. I think I should have wrapped it the direction of the thread, but that's fine. Now I'm just gonna screw this on. This is the nozzle, the gun nozzle end. Yeah. I think I should have screwed it in the other way. We'll try that again. It should be this way, right? That's enough a little bit just to move up. So here, I missed it, but this adapter right here, I cut it from both ends. It wasn't releasing, I guess, because of the air pressure. So now I'm just hooking up the ends and tightening everything. Hopefully you guys can see it. I want to put this where we have a good view. Let me see. Yeah. Trying to find a place where I could put you guys so you could see everything going on. Can you see that? There you go. Don't have the right tools yet, but. Okay, put this on. Put this on first. Then this goes on. Let me see. So here's what I did so far. Sorry, I wish I had a mount or something. Put that, the washer like thing, the fairing right there, the nut there, on both ends. Did the same on both ends, as you can see there. There. All right, now time to screw the whole thing on. You'll see it. Hear a little leak here. Let's just tighten everything. So after a few hours, I hooked everything up and it works. There's a slight leak, but it's better than it was before, and I'll take it. The leak is slow. It'll bug me. It's like somewhere here, I guess. I don't know. But maybe I did something wrong. Y'all in the comments just say something. I put hold on a second. See, I had to buy another one because the fairing over there was kind of warped. So I bought a new piece. So what I wound up doing was I put Teflon on this too. Should I put Teflon on the ends here? I don't know. I put Teflons in there, but I don't know if it was necessary. Maybe that's what's causing the loose contact. I don't know. But let me know in the comments how I did. It's my first time doing this, just from watching videos and from what people told me. So now I need a shower. I've been working on this thing for like about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, trying to fix this, get this thing hooked up. I think if you know what you're doing, it's easy. From what I see, these videos on how to do this are like 5 minutes long, if not more, less, 5 to 3.5 minutes long. So if you do everything right the first time, it's quick. Again, it's my first time, so yeah. I may have to fix it at some point, but right now it's manageable. Alright. It's your boy, just another Fil-Am trucker, trying to get by on the road, trying to learn as he goes. Alright, peace.